Wasn't that a beautiful sunrise? My husband had the idea of filming it that way, and it was just gorgeous. So we might do that again. Because for some reason I lost my introduction and it got deleted somehow. Probably when I rebooted my phone, because I use my phone for filming so much. But I just thought I'd take you through our whole entire day and take snippets of it and share it with you on this video. One morning, I'm making some sourdough. That was pre-measured. That was and I weigh everything when I make sourdough. Here's my starter. On 150 grams of starter. You know your starter's ready when it's floating, and I'll show you that in a minute. I knew this was ready because it was rising really well. And then always feed your starter after you're done. I'll show you what it looks like. You can see that it's floating in there. So that's just a tidbit. Okay. This is local honey. I'll just put this on top of the oven, and that should proof it as well. And then after he's done that, I'll put it in after the oven cools down. And best way to mix is with the hands. Really gets that, you want that salt to be incorporated, you want that honey to be incorporated in that oil all together. This is a really sticky dough. I've been making this one for years. It's my go-to sourdough sandwich bread, and we love it. Cleaning out the fridge to feed the pig. A great way to do it. Then I only have to give her one scoop of food, and we don't waste it. Well, it wouldn't go to waste even if we didn't have a pig. It would go in the compost, or to the chickens. I'm also giving the chickens right now some extra protein. This is some burger patties that we have. Give those to the chickens. Yes, I'm sure you would love some too, Bubba, but you got plenty of food already. You're not losing your feathers, and you're not out in the cold, so you don't need the extra protein for extra warmth, Bubba. So these chickens and pigs do. We're also going to get them some extra straw, I think, soon here. Like we said earlier, 26 degrees this morning as you were watching that beautiful sunrise. And it's warming up now. Not a lot of frost, just cold. So let's go get them some of their other food. Their grains. I've got some chicken scratch from Kofi for the chickens to help warm them up. Lights. Now, one of the other things that you can do this time of year to help warm up your chickens is I'm putting extra protein in for them. You can also, like if you have spicy food, that's great this time of year because it actually warms them up from the inside. So, where's that bag? It's right here. If you live in southern West Kentucky or close to West Kentucky, and you want to, no affiliation, these people are Amish. You want to feed your animals organic food. Try Kofi, Kentucky Farm and Feed. I drive all the way out to go get it. It's the same price, and they're 50-pound bags, as what regular food would be in the store, but you do have to go pick it up. So that's what I do for our feed, is we get it directly from the supplier. And so if you want to see if they're near your area, there you go. They're an hour and 20 minutes away for us, but I go get it because it's worth it to me. Too bad they don't have kitty food. Too bad they don't have kitty food. They have goat food and pig food and chicken food and turkey food and starters for ducks and chickens, and because ducks kind of need a different starter. And then on top of that, they have colostrum if you need it for cows and all that good stuff. So I need to get you some more water, which of course it's Saturday, so normally need to get her water on Saturday. Okay, let's go feed the beast. She's an awful cute beast, but we'll see how long that lasts. Right now, she's still only 9 months old, so I'm talking about our pig Pebbles, our breeder. She's still a gild. We haven't bred her yet. Or gilt, sorry. But we're looking for Bam Bam for, isn't that silly? We already have the name picked out. We kind of go with cartoon names around here. So always take the jug out here, get the kitty some more water. A little bit on the way in, what Chris has been doing in the pump house. He's been insulating it, getting ready for this crazy weather. We might get hit by ice. It looks like Brian Hall, y'all, says it's going to be awful close to missing us, but by a few hairs. So we'll see. We'll see. My fingers and praising the Lord. Maybe Brian Hall, y'all's right on with that forecast, and we won't have any of it close by. What are you doing out, huh, girl? Something in the pig bowl for you? I love those sounds. Cute turkey. Hi, Polly. Okay, Polly. Yeah. Are you hungry, huh? Well, you're not winning that way, are you? There we go. Okay, come on. Come on. You going for a ride? Okay, get down. Polly. Polly, come on. There we go. Try to spread it out as much as possible. And they'll start fighting over the meat. There we go. Got some ice in there. Barney? Okay, she can get water out of there, but when it warms up, I'm going to add some water to it. So we'll just wait until it warms up. It should get up to 40 today. So, whew, cold. This sweater is nice and warm. It's double lined. Perfect for these cold, cold days. But let me show you real quick what Chris has been doing in the pump house. He's got a heater in there system when it's done. So he's got heat tape on there. That's where it comes into the house. Oh, there's a little water right there. I'll have to let him know that. Don't like the looks of that. But he's been very busy. It's all covered up now. But we need to flatten it out better and just do better with it and cover it with grass. So it's 50 degrees in here. We have a little heater here. And this is our pump house. He was listening to music. Got a new light in here. He's working on the roof. And gonna get this all done. But it's holding the cool air pretty good. He spray foamed all the cracks and closed up all the areas where birds could get in and stuff. We have a real problem with that out here. Looks like the heater's coming back on. So that's working great, and that's the temp in here. Just went down a little bit since I opened the door, so I better get out of there. But so that's pretty cool. We'll keep you updated on the bread and stuff today, and we'll let you know later on how things are coming. Taking out some tomatoes for canning. I have like several more of these out in the shop, and I'll go get those. What happened?
Story of my life.
You're all fogged up.
I said, for you people, the fitting on my four-way.
Which is where the water connects to the
fitting,
house.
I was going to tell them that.
Okay, you tell.
The fitting that connects the water to the house is a four-way. Water comes in from the pump house, water comes in from the well, water goes to the house, water goes to the hydrant. So, heat tape is working beautifully. It's nice and warm on there. Fitting going to the house was probably was a little bit loose. I got plenty of goop on there. Or pipe dope, however you want to say. We call it goop, I guess, is the official word for it now.
Our official word.
Official word. It's our official word.
Yeah.
The fitting was a little bit loose, and I didn't even think about it. I was like, the ditch is a little wet, and it hasn't rained for 5 days, but nothing to see here. There's a little leak.
Yeah.
So anyway, I tightened it up. The other good news is that the well house,
I showed
pump
him that
house.
earlier.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, it's insulated now, and I checked it with my infrared thermometer. It's 44 degrees in there.
Okay.
which is perfect.
Yeah.
Doesn't need to be warm in there,
No.
but just needs to be above freezing.
Yeah. I gotta get my tomatoes out.
Oh, good thing normal. Clean up all the food that's on the floor.
Oh, I need to change that litter box too.
What?
I need to change that litter box. Oh, we do have one tin of fries left.
Well, that would have been nice,
Yeah.
Those are way better.
Yeah.
Stop putting your food bags in the trash.
I don't think I did that.
What?
Did I do that?
Well, you see it's not in there.
Okay. I just got a little bit of tomatoes.
Yeah.
See how much room's down there now?
Yeah, should be enough room for the whole pig, hopefully. Yeah, gotta get to work.
That's all I think, yep. To put that turkey in here. Oh, move our turkey over here. This is our smaller turkey that we processed. Another chicken. Okay. Lots of squash and onions in there. Really good onion year last year, so I may not have to do that many. I may not have to do that many onions this year. And I started some from seed, but they're kind of yellow and I'm a little bit worried about them. If not, I'll do what I did last year and just buy some starts. It's I do onions really good from starts, but I haven't hacked. So if anybody has any info on growing them from seed, let me know. I like to keep them in the bags while they're defrosting because they're going to shrink down. There's going to be a lot of water, excess water, and I can just open the bag a little bit and just drain that water out. So I don't, because one of the things is when you're cooking down tomatoes, my camera's going, oh, whip-de-woo. When you're cooking down tomatoes, there's a lot of excess water when you freeze them. The nice thing about freezing them is the skins come off really easy. So we'll, if the skins don't all come off, we'll put them through the grinder and just make a nice tomato sauce out of it and have it ready to go. So straw.
Yeah, getting some straw for the pig.
The pig and the chickens.
Yeah, for whomever needs it.
Yeah.
He was going to let us in if we didn't know where the key was.
Oh,
I
okay.
said, well, he's like, how many are you getting? I'm like, well, I'm settling up with Charlie. He's like, I know. He said, I'll let you in.
Oh.
I mean, it didn't go that way, but I mean, he just was,
Yeah.
looks like I'll just back in here and right up to it.
Yeah.
Question is, how are we going to get him out at home? How are we going to get him to where we need to get him at home?
Oh.
So we could use the tractor. We could put him on a pallet.
Yeah.
And then since we already have the forks on the tractor.
Long shirt for this.
Couple more across the top here.
Yeah.
How many is that? So 5 on the bottom, that's 11. These ones will kind of hold the center.
Yeah.
Oops, there's a hole right there.
Yeah, be careful. You want me to get up on that tailgate and push that back? Hi, Peps. Yeah, we need a bunch over here. Yes, she is. She's... Hi. 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 Yeah. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Really uses that nose. Watch. Hey, Pebbles. Pebbles, are you having a good time? Look at all that straw. Keep you busy for hours. You can shove some more in your house if you need it. Yeah. Good stuff, isn't it? Yeah. It's good stuff. That's good stuff. Yeah, don't bite on me. Don't bite on me, you silly girl. Oh, I'm overflowing the water already. Gotta turn that off. She doesn't need any extra water in there. Sorry, girlfriend. I'm overflowing you. That's not cool, is it? Yeah, you're really liking that, huh? I did get more water in there, you can see over there. But she'll spread this all around. They just love that. That's like the thing for these animals. Boredom is gone. She's got something to do. And she always got super excited when we put stuff like straw in her thing. Yeah. Yeah, you're being a good girl, aren't you? Aren't you, Pebbles? If anybody knows of a breed that looks like her, but she's part Berkshire, and I forget the other part. It's the other part that I want. So yeah, she's turning into a sweet pig, and I think it's because she's the only one here and she doesn't have to fight for position. So look at that, she's really enjoying that. Gave her something to do. Hi, Peps. Yeah, we need a bunch over here. Yes, she is. She's... Hi. 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 Yeah. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Really uses that nose. Watch. Good girl. I need to give her some water.
I need to get it in her house, though.
Yeah, I need to get in there. It's good stuff, isn't it? Yeah. It's good stuff. That's good stuff. Yeah, don't bite on me. Don't bite on me, you silly girl. Oh, I'm overflowing the water already. Gotta turn that off. She doesn't need any extra water in there. Sorry, girlfriend. I'm overflowing you. That's not cool, is it? Yeah, you're really liking that, huh? I did get more water in there, you can see over there. But she'll spread this all around. They just love that. That's like the thing for these animals. Boredom is gone. She's got something to do. And she always got super excited when we put stuff like straw in her thing. Yeah. Yeah, you're being a good girl, aren't you? Aren't you, Pebbles? If anybody knows of a breed that looks like her, but she's part Berkshire, and I forget the other part. It's the other part that I want. So yeah, she's turning into a sweet pig, and I think it's because she's the only one here and she doesn't have to fight for position. So look at that, she's really enjoying that. Gave her something to do. In the video, we were talking about an area that was getting wet, and this was the area. And so he came out here and worked on it, and said he found the leak, so that's good. Thank you for watching, and God bless, as always. Bye.